Mastering English phrases. Understanding. A job well done. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the phrase, a job well done. This is a phrase you might hear in everyday conversation, in the workplace, or when someone is acknowledging good work. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. A job well done is a phrase used to praise someone for completing a task well. It's a way of acknowledging that the person has put in effort and skill to achieve good results. This phrase is often used in professional settings, but it can also be used in personal situations. For example, if a friend helps you move to a new house and does a great job, you might say, "That's a job well done." While a job well done is the most common way to express this sentiment, there are other variations you can use. Phrases like, well done, good job, or excellent work convey similar meanings. Each of these can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and formality of the situation. To help you understand how to use a job well done in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. The team really pulled together on this project, and it's definitely a job well done. After seeing the beautifully decorated cake, she exclaimed, "What a job well done!" His presentation was informative and engaging. Truly a job well done. In English-speaking cultures, acknowledging someone's effort and success is important. Using phrases like, a job well done, not only shows appreciation but also encourages positive behavior and work ethics. It's a way of building a supportive and motivational environment, whether in personal or professional settings. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, a job well done. Remember, acknowledging someone's efforts is a key part of communication and relationship building. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.